Let us see it. CNC laser welding machine, XYZ axis design. The XYZ design is more easily for user to operate and set up. The CNC controller system could help the users to finish the design by software, easily to set up and work. The design of the machine conforms to human mechanics, and it can work for a long time without interruption on the basis of sturdiness and durability. Cooperate with pipeline operation. The bracket at the operating end could be rotated 180 degrees. Maintenance costs are extremely low and easy to operate. Let us see the laser welding samples. The welding effect is stable and suitable for all industries. More detail with our video to show the result of laser welding. Software is also easily for every user to see the operation and design. Contact us by now. 奥华 Laser